Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where today this is a 50 sub special and I'll be showing you guys 4 play buttons that I have earned over the years. Well, over two months we have 100k play button. It's a pretty cool plaque with the play button. It's cool. Yes. Next one we have is a 1 million, which is a slightly bigger one with a colored in middle centerpiece. There it is. Let's put it like that in a row right there. Next one we have is the 10 million play button, which is a bigger one with a hole. The whole play button is colored in. So we'll do that. There you go. But with those out of the way, we have the big 50 subs play button. My friend made it. His channel will be in the description. Go subscribe to him, please. There it is. There it is, boys. The best play button I have ever seen in my life. Maybe. But this is like really cool. I'll put some pictures up of how he made it right now. Should be in the left corner. But yeah. It's really cool. It stands up. It's pretty thin, so it's not really hefty. So he basically cut it out, measured stuff, cut it out of a wood. Then he made this look like so it would stand, and then colored it in red paint and white paint in the middle. Really cool. He got the play button maker role in my Discord. That's what you get. But that is one awesome play button. That's really cool. Has the red here. It's so cool, and it will never break because this is out of wood. This is only if you throw it at some brick wall or something. And I'm pretty sure in the first try it won't break. So this is a really cool piece of art. Thank you, Versatile. Go subscribe to him. It's really cool. His YT link will be in the description. But yeah, I know it might be look at that. That's not cool. But of course, it was homemade literally in his house. This is homemade. This is not some kind of working in a studio. Something he made himself. So we passed the 3-minute mark. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Sorry about the microphone. I'm really sorry about that, but it's just cool. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which will be a pretty cool video. I have a lot of videos planned. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. This is what the it's from the Fortnite video that I did. It is how it is now. Dude, that is so weird. They thought this is boneless clip. Yes, boneless clip. Bonus clip. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, look at that. You can still see through it. That's funny.